Moving goods for top brands across the Philippines requires a large, dependable transport network. On a daily basis, FAST operates over 3,000 fleet nationwide across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Ensuring that trucks are ready when and where they are needed is critical for us to deliver top-notch logistics solutions for our principals. That is why at FAST, we have a consistent demand for trucking partners. And because we see them as our strategic partners, our goal is to help them expand their operations too.
Naging accredited tracking partner ng FAST Logistics ang LNG Land Transport Services noong September 2023. Nagsimula lang ako sa isang 6-wheeler truck, ngayon meron na akong 14 trucks para sa regular deliveries nationwide. 9 sa units ko ang 6-wheeler. Meron din akong 2 forward truck, 2 EUB at isang 10-wheeler. Sa tulong ng FAST, nakabili ako ng bagong unit at mas maraming hire na drivers and helpers. Lahat yon exclusive kay FAST.
Because we are serving the biggest brands, from multinational companies, major conglomerates to micro, small, and medium enterprises, we have consistent trips and a guaranteed source of income for our accredited trackers.
Naging interesado akong pumasok sa FAST dahil kilala ito, mapagkatiwalaan, at may respeto sa truck owners. Nagbibigay sila sa amin ng mga biyahe at on-time payments na mahalaga sa negosyo. Wala akong regular na biyahe dati. Noon, umaasa lang ako sa spot booking sa social media. Sa FAST, mas malaki na ang kinikita ko ngayon kasi tuloy-tuloy ang biyahe.
Kami sa FAST, we make sure na may sapat na suporta sa accredited truckers. We are always ready to lend a helping hand for their growth and operations.
For accredited FAST trackers, we are offering a guaranteed monthly revenue option. Trucks are enrolled in our lock-in program and given regional trips to serve designated accounts. If no trips are available, our partner trackers will still receive the guaranteed revenue we committed. And they can earn more by taking additional trips. May biyahe man o wala, sigurado ang kita.
Due to our strong demand, particularly for 10-wheelers and 6-wheelers, we launched a dry lease options for trackers who want to earn without managing day-to-day operations. Hassle-free at tuloy-tuloy ng kita sa dry leasing option. Pas nang bahala sa gastos, sa krudo, toll, repairs and maintenance, pati na sa sweldo ng driver at helper.
We understand the challenges of finding the right driver. We have a driving hiring assistance program sa mga kailangan ng manpower support. Gusto naming mapadali para sa kanila ang paghahanap ng maasang drivers para sa kanilang negosyo.
Meron tayong fuel savings program at discounts para mabawasan ang gastos nila. We have partnered with a trusted fuel provider to have volume-based incentives. Nag-a-assist din tayo sa mga wala pang truck pero gustong magsimula ng trucking business. Pwede nilang i-avail ang financing option with minimum interest para sa monthly amortization ng kanilang units.
May FlexChange options na available para sa fast trackers na interesado mag-invest. With FlexChange, mas mabilis ang cargo loading from 4 hours to 2 hours. So mas konting idle time sa warehouse at mas makakarami ng biyahe ang truck. Habang dumarami ang principals na gumagamit ng FlexChange, maraming biyahe para sa mga truck na FlexChange ready.
FAST is committed to helping accredited truckers. Kaya naman, we make sure na simple and accessible ang kanilang onboarding. We continuously improve our processes to make them more efficient. Welcome ang lahat na maging accredited FAST trucker.
We care about long-term partnership, not just one-time transaction.
Pwede talaga lumago ang business sa FAST. Lalo pwede ka mag-register na mas maraming truck. Ikaw ang bahala kung magdagdag ka ng units. Dahil sa FAST, hindi ako nag-alala kung may biyahe o wala. Laging meron. Ramdam naming mga truckers na may masasandalan kami sa negosyo.
Every week, meron po akong 6 na biyahe, lalo na pag peak season or bare month. Ang gusto ko kay FAST, mas natutulungan ko na ang pamilya ko dahil sa mas maayos at tuloy-tuloy na biyahe. Panatag din ang loob ko dahil kung ano man ang mangyari sa akin habang nasa biyahe, madali akong mahahanap ng FAST team dahil may GPS ang mga truck.
Wala akong balak lumipat. Bakit pa ba ako lilipat? Napakarami na ng trucks ko at lumaki ang business ko dahil kay FAST. Sa akin ngayon, ang goal ko expansion at dagdag na units.
Because we serve the top brands in the Philippines, we hold ourselves and our truck partners to high service standards. While we do our best to support the growth of our accredited truckers, we also ensure strict compliance with our requirements. They must submit all the necessary documents and be willing to serve clients, big and small, from FMCG giants to small, thriving entrepreneurs in far-flung areas.
Here at FAST, quality and safety always come first. We maintain high service standards for our organization and our truck partners.
Accredited trucks must have GPS installed for real-time monitoring and fast emergency response.
We have been in the business for more than 50 years, built on trust and discipline. These are the values we also expect from our truck partners. We want to keep up with the demands of our customers wherever they are, regardless of their business size and product.
We continue to see growth from our principals across various industries. To support this, we are expanding our service coverage to help homegrown brands in the Northern Luzon, Southern Luzon, the Visayas, and Mindanao through partnership with like-minded organizations.
FAST is also servicing customers in pharma and agri sectors. That means we have a huge demand for tracking partners to fulfill the requirements of our growing number partners company.
Negosyo, trabaho, asenso. These are our collective aspirations for Fast Tracker partners.
Kung meron kang truck, may biyahe at kitang naghihintay sa iyo sa FAST. Kasama ka sa biyahe, kasama ka sa pag-asenso.
The story of our partner trackers is the story of a common Filipino. Nagpupunyagi, nagpupursigi, nagsisikap kumita para sa pamilya at para makatulong sa komunidad. Kaya tayo sa FAST, we provide opportunities to help truck owners scale their business. Logistics para sa bayan.